Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make apricot cookies for you. Let's get started. Butter. Mix a little. Powdered sugar. Egg. Vanilla. Vinegar. Add flour gradually. Mix thoroughly. Fill the dough into a piping bag fitted with your preferred nozzle. Pipe the dough onto a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. Create a small indentation in the center of each cookie. Fill them with apricot jam. Let it rest in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle some pistachio powder for an extra burst of flavor. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh cookies. Thank you for watching and happy baking.